Here's a before and after shot using Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Collection. Keep watching to see how I created the style. Start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I used Power Wash Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo and Rescued Recovery Conditioner. Section your hair to easily detangle and apply your products. Wet your hair down with water and detangle before applying products. This should be easy to do after using the recovery conditioner. Now apply Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls from the Grapeseed Collection to the section of your hair, working it from the tips up to the roots. Now it's time to go in with the Grapeseed Collection Frizz Patrol. This is a twist and curl setting mousse. You guys, this collection literally smells so good, I could not control myself. If you love anything grape, you're gonna love the Grapeseed Collection. Okay, so now that you see how the products were applied, you want to repeat those same steps on all sections. For the front, I created a side flat twist rubber band effect. So I'm taking the hair that I want to work with and creating my side part. Now that I have the hair parted and sectioned off, I'm going to re-wet it and apply the same products that I applied to the rest of the hair. Ice Curls and Frizz Patrol. Now for this style, I'm using small black rubber bands. You can use whatever color you want to, but have your rubber bands prepared because now we're going to band off the sections of hair. I'm going back in with Ice Curls just to lay the front of that first section. Now I'm taking my rubber band and I'm banding off that first section of hair. I'm going back in with Frizz Patrol and creating a twist around that section of hair for the flat twist effect. Now for this style, I wanted to get a little creative, so I got some decorative thread and I got purple to match the collection, and I'm going to add that onto the flat twist part of the hair. Now to secure the thread, I'm just taking my rubber band and wrapping around the section where the thread is. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps on the next two sections of this style. As you move on to each section, you want to pull back the section before it and connect the two with the rubber band. Repeat the same steps to complete the style. The flat twist section is all done. Now it's time to finish styling the rest of the hair, and you're just going to go back in with the Ice Curls and Frizz Patrol. Now the style is pretty much set. You can go ahead and air dry overnight, or you can diffuse if you want results right away. Now since we did use gel, there is going to be a bit of a gel cast. You're going to apply Shine Boss and just scrunch out the crunch, and that's going to help get rid of that gel cast. Now it's time to go in and lay our edges with slick, and using this, those edges are going to be laid for days. Here are the final results, and all of that work was totally worth it. Flat twists laid, edges laid, curls popping. So I highly recommend that you try out Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Collection, which is an amazing styling collection if you want your style to last for days. Thanks for watching. Bye.